Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on find my device in our vivo phone device. As you want to on find my device, so as you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on find my device in our vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to on find my device. Then guys click on the security setting guys, and guys click on find my device. Then guys you can on your use find my device. So guys you can track your phone, and guys your phone has stolen and guys by mistake, and someone has snatched your phone, and guys you want to track your phone, so you can track your phone. But guys your find my device is on, then guys you can track your phone, otherwise not. So I hope friends you have understood how to on find my device in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.